Today you are going to practice counting and adding one more to find the new number. To get started, you need these blue cards and a dry erase marker. Pause the video and get your blue cards and your dry erase marker. Welcome back. You're going to have fun today. You get to look at the picture cards and count how many you see, and you're going to see how many one more would be. I'm going to do a few with you to show you what to do, okay? So here, look at the picture. I'm going to count how many I see. Here we have some gumballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now with my marker, I need to think, what would one more than 10 be? I'm not going to write down the number 10. Instead, I'm going to write the number that is one more. One more than 10 would be 11. So with your dry erase marker, you're going to write the number 11. 1, 1. That's an 11. If you don't know how to write an 11, you could look up on the wall in your classroom. Your teacher might have the numbers posted for you. Let's do another one. Do we want to do grapes, backpacks, or kids? I think I'm going to do this one next. How many kids are on the bus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm not going to write the number 7. Instead, I want to write one more. What is one more than 7? I'm going to pretend to draw one more. If you want to draw one more child here, you can. One more than 7 is 8. So with your dry erase marker, you're going to write the number 8 right here where we can see it. You're going to keep playing with all of the cards that you see. You get to count all kinds of things like dots. You get to count cookies and add one more. You get to count candy and add one more. Acorns, draw one more, write the number. And keep going all the way through. On this one, you got to look at the petals. And you got to draw one more petal and find the number. Keep going through. There's lots of fun things for you to count for your activity. And then when you're done, I want you to take a picture of what you did and send it to your teacher on Seesaw or Dojo. This one you're going to add another scoop. This one you're going to add one more dot to find how many one more is.